In this video, I'll walk you through connecting DocuSign to Knowi to easily pull in documents and schedule refreshes for real-time data. First, navigate to the Chat with Documents on the left-hand side from the AI tab. Once you're at Documents AI, select New File, and then scroll down to DocuSign. When you select Connect New Account, you'll be taken to a new tab to sign into your DocuSign account. Once you sign in, you can verify your DocuSign account information and then rename your data source. Now we've connected to our DocuSign account. When we click on this, we'll see the different files available to us to bring into Knowi. From here, I can select a refresh rate. So if this is a document that I'll be updating once a day or once a week, I can select hourly, daily, or monthly refreshes, or I can choose to just bring it in once as is. Now we can see that the baseline contract from my DocuSign account is in my active files for Documents AI, and I can ask any questions about that document with the chatbot. If you need to go in and change this refresh rate to something different at any point, you can go into New File, DocuSign, and then change this refresh rate amount.